Hi there, I hope your preparation for Math Olympiad is going well. And today in this video, we are going to learn how to solve a question of grade 5 and 6 of the battery data interpretation. So let's see what is the question. The question says, the graph below shows the total number of cars in New York City from the year 2014 to 2017. What is the increase in number of cars from the year 2015 to 2017? Alright, so here we have a graph, and this particular graph is called as bar graph. Why bar graph? Because as you can see, there are these four graphs, and height of these bars represent a frequency. By frequency, what we mean, we mean a number of a particular quantity. Here that quantity is what? Here that quantity is number of cars. So here the height of these bars represents the number of cars. For example, if I talk about the year 2014, what is the height of the bar in year 2014? Its height is 8. So that means that in the year 2014, the total number of cars were 8. But it's also necessary to read the scale of the graph. Here, the scale tells us that 1 unit length is equal to 1000 cars. So that means now 1 unit is equivalent to 1000 cars. So that means 8 units will be equivalent to 8000 cars. So that means in the year 2014, there were 8000 cars in New York City. Now in our question, we need to find out what is the increase in number of cars from the year 2015 to 2017. So first of all, we need to find out in the year 2015 how many cars were there. So what is the height of the bar for the year 2015? 10 units. So 10 units means that there were 10,000 cars present in New York City in the year 2015. What about the year 2017? So what is the height of the bar of year 2017? Its height is 14 units. That means there were 14,000 cars in the year 2017. Now what is the increase in number of cars? So to find the increase, we just need to subtract the number of cars that were there in 2015 from the number of cars that were there in the year 2017. So 2017, number of cars in the year 2017 minus number of cars in the year 2015. So that will give us 14,000 minus 10,000, which is equal to 4,000. So the increase in number of cars from the year 2015 to 2017 is 4,000, which is our option number C. So I hope you understood this question, and all the best for your preparation for Math Olympiads. Bye-bye.